Inside Camel Leather Factory, a hidden process begins that most people never witness.
Inside a modern camel leather factory, raw animal skin begins a long and carefully controlled journey toward becoming a luxury material.
This factory functions as a single system, where every stage depends on the precision of the one before it.
Every process begins here, as raw camel skins arrive at the factory to start their transformation.
What begins as raw animal skin will soon become a symbol of luxury, valued across the world.
Behind the machines, skilled workers ensure every hide meets strict quality standards.
The journey of camel leather begins far from factories, in regulated livestock farms across arid regions. Camels used in leather production are processed under strict veterinary and government supervision. Camel leather is sourced responsibly, using skin collected as a byproduct of the meat industry. Using camel skin for leather reduces waste and adds value to existing resources. From regulated sources, camel skins are carefully transported to factories where processing begins.
Once delivered, every hide enters the factory through a controlled receiving process. Thickness, texture, and natural marks are examined before hides move forward.
We have the first batch ready for you, sir.
Excellent. Let's verify the grading on these top two.
Only hides that meet strict standards continue deeper into the leather-making process.
Inside the cleaning department, camel hides are soaked in water to remove salt and surface impurities.
This washing stage removes preserved salt, allowing the skin to return to its natural condition.
Mechanical paddles gently rotate the hides, ensuring uniform cleaning across every surface.
Precise timing and water control are essential to protect the leather's structure.
After washing, the hides regain flexibility, preparing them for the next stage of transformation.
This is the stage where skin begins to change forever, entering the chemical foundation of leather.
Controlled chemicals stabilize the skin's fibers, preventing decay and strengthening its structure. Precise timing ensures the leather gains strength without losing flexibility.
Even small mistakes here can ruin an entire batch of leather.
At this stage, the material is no longer skin. It has officially become leather.
In the liming section, hides are treated with alkaline solutions that prepare them for deeper processing. Lime gently loosens hair and tissue, opening the fiber structure of the hide. Chemical strength and timing are carefully controlled to protect the hide.
Once loosened, hair and tissue are removed mechanically without harming the leather.
With hair removed and fibers opened, the hides are ready for further refinement.
In the fleshing department, precision machines refine the hide by removing excess tissue.
Sharp, rotating blades remove unwanted material while preserving the leather's strength.
Uniform thickness is essential for durability and consistent leather quality. Camel leather requires careful handling due to its naturally dense structure.
With excess material removed, the hides are perfectly prepared for the next stage.
After liming, the hides enter a delicate phase where chemical balance must be restored.
Natural enzymes are added to gently soften the leather without weakening it. Neutralizing agents restore the hide's chemical balance, protecting its structure.
Too much or too little baiting can permanently affect the leather.
This stage defines the leather's softness and final feel.
Tanning agents permanently stabilize the leather, preventing decay and deterioration.
Tanning can take hours or days, depending on the leather grade required.
This is the heart of leather production, where camel skin is permanently transformed.
One mistake here can destroy an entire batch of leather. After tanning, the material is no longer skin. It is leather, built to last. After tanning, the leather is thoroughly washed to remove residual chemicals. Before resting, excess moisture is carefully removed from the leather.
Resting allows the leather's fibers to stabilize and absorb treatments evenly.
This rinse purifies the leather, ensuring long-term stability and safety. Though it appears complete, the leather still requires refinement before becoming a finished product.
Airflow removes moisture evenly, preventing cracks or stiffness.
Drying is carefully controlled to protect the leather's structure and shape.
Proper drying ensures the leather remains strong, flexible, and uniform. Temperature and humidity are carefully regulated throughout drying. Drying frames maintain the leather's original dimensions.
Camel leather absorbs dye slowly, allowing color to penetrate deeply and evenly.
Constant rotation ensures that color spreads evenly across every hide.
Check the delta E on these patches.
Looks perfect, consistent across the board. Agreed. Let's sign off on it.
In the dyeing department, leather begins to take on its final visual identity. With color fully absorbed, the leather is ready for softness and finishing treatments. After dyeing, leather enters a stage designed to restore softness and flexibility. These oils restore lubrication between fibers, giving leather its supple feel. Slow rotation allows oils to spread evenly throughout the leather.
Too much oil weakens leather. Too little makes it brittle.
This stage gives camel leather its smooth touch and long-lasting durability.
This is where leather begins to look and feel like a finished luxury material. These coatings protect leather from wear while enhancing its natural beauty. Polishing refines the leather's touch and visual appeal.
Embossing gives leather a uniform texture demanded by luxury markets. With finishing complete, the leather is ready to become a luxury product.
Before becoming a product, every piece of leather must pass our strict quality inspection here in the final inspection area.
Every natural mark is examined before grading decisions are made.
Thickness and flexibility determine how the leather will be used.
Only top-grade leather moves on to luxury product manufacturing. Only leather that meets strict standards is approved for the next stage.
Precision machines cut leather with exact accuracy required for luxury products.
Every cut is planned to maximize material use and product quality. With quality approved, leather now enters the stage where products begin to take shape. Some luxury items still rely on skilled hands for perfect cuts. Each cut piece now moves forward to become part of a finished product.
In the stitching department, individual leather pieces begin their final transformation. Every stitch must be precise to ensure strength and long-term use.
Luxury items often rely on skilled hands rather than machines. At this stage, leather parts finally become recognizable products.
Assembly brings together craftsmanship, precision, and material strength.
In finishing, attention to detail defines the difference between ordinary and premium.
Sharp tools create clean edges, essential for a luxury finish.
Sealed edges protect leather from moisture and long-term damage.
With edges sealed and hardware fitted, the product nears completion.
Hardware adds both function and character to the final product.
After final inspection and packaging, the journey inside the factory is complete. Every product is cleaned to present its best finish.
Proper packaging preserves quality from factory to customer.
These products travel thousands of miles to reach international markets. What begins as raw skin becomes a $1 million global industry.
From this factory, Camel leather products begin their journey to the world. Here, raw material transformed in factories becomes a symbol of luxury.
From factory floor to global markets, this is the hidden journey of Camel leather.